As the regular season or the preliminary round of the Jamaica Premier League comes to a close, it is safe to say that the Jamaica Premier League champions will come from one of the top 7 teams in the standings. I said 7 because Tivoli and Firehouse are still in a regal battle for the final top 6 playoff spot. Anyway, some congratulations are in order to Mount Pleasant for topping the regular season league standings. And not only did they prevail by double-digit points, but the manner and style of the dominance are fully deserving of regular season congratulations. As per the current format of the league, this Maverick congratulations could be the only congratulations and accolade that Mount Pleasant gets for the entire season if they don't go on to win the Jamaica Premier League title. One thing for sure, no one can argue with the fact that the red-hot favorites to win this season's Jamaica Premier League title is Stush in the bush. sorry, the same Mount Pleasant.